What's up guys, so we are back in Poblado. We're going to be checking out this building here called Arboar. I love this area of Poblado a lot because I used to live a little bit higher in the mountain, like Los Balsos. But I think here around like Santa Fe, around Oviedo, like this area and all these apartments feels definitely a lot safer. All the buildings have porteros. There's just a lot of like innovation in the architecture. You have to take Ubers pretty much to get everywhere though. There's no way around it. Like trying to get around Poblado is so hilly. If you don't have a car, you have to take Ubers to get everywhere. Thankfully the Ubers here are not super expensive, so it's not that big of a deal. Let's go check it out.
Hi Wes, my name is Andrea. Here we are going to show you this amazing apartment located in Ceylon. This apartment comes with 97 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open wide kitchen. One of the most special features about this place is this balcony.
I really like this balcony too. I think just everywhere in Medellin, the views are always really nice, very clean and organized. Sometimes some of the other barrios, there's always trash in the street. It's not the most safe.
People here in Medellin, they take care about the city.
That's something that I always thought was funny, is that you can't hang your clothes on the balcony, right? Like you can get in trouble for that.
Because of course you are killing the appearance of the buildings,
exactly,
you know?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel good if you go outside and you see that the neighborhood has the pants outside, the t-shirts outside, the sneakers. It doesn't look well.
Exactly.
So it's part of the aesthetic of the city. So this is the kitchen. This apartment is for, let's say, a couple or a couple with a kid, for example.
This is a good family apartment. It's perfect for hosting.
It's perfect. It's perfect. So here you have an amazing space connected with the balcony, with the living room, with the dining table. It's very sociable. You can have an amazing experiences here with your friends, with your family. If you enjoy kitchen, I think this is an amazing place to do that.
I would agree. Yeah, I love all this space. I love how everything's connected. I could be preparing dinner and watching the game at the same time, like basketball. I'm a huge fan of basketball. I just like this layout. In Manizales, I live in an old apartment. The way the kitchen is set up, it's a separate room. There are doors. The kitchen is very small, and it's really a pain in the butt. But I love Medellin's concept. They're always about like open space.
Especially the new buildings. This building just has 10 years. It's 10 years old.
Okay.
The trendiness is to create more open spaces, more open kitchens, where you can just be more sociable and more integrated.
Yes. And it's always connected with the terrace. So after many months of hard work, my course is finally available on mynewcolombianlife.com. I go into detail about how you can come into this country without knowing any Spanish or having any contacts and build a life from yourself from the ground up. You can buy the complete course, or if you're just interested in dating or business and real estate, those parts of the course will be available for purchase separately. Discount code will be available, but hurry up because there's only 5 spots left. If you guys want to reach out for consultations, hit me up here. Enjoy the video. Actually, I'm a huge fan of the bathrooms. I think they did a really good job with the bathroom.
If you're a foreigner and you are thinking to invest and to live in Medellin, I think this apartment is a perfect space for a start. It just costs $151,000 US. Come and stay here for some months of the year while in your land is very cold, or when you have the opportunity to work from abroad. And then when you are not going to be here, you just put it in rent and you can get 12% as an ROI, which is a great opportunity.
Yeah, exactly. It's like this beautiful view of the city.
Here we can see the development that this neighborhood have had. This bridge is new one that connects all the Transversal Inferior from La Guacatala till the south of El Poblado.
Oh, okay. The cool thing about the view from here is that it's unobstructed. No buildings in front on this side.
There is no building.
Right, it's just this park.
Master bedroom of this apartment. As you see, it has a good space, nice natural light too. Here we have the walk-in closet and the master bathroom.
I love the style.
Yes, the style is really nice. It has also nice finishes for being a 97 square meters apartment.
That's true.
The high ceilings that this apartment has make you feel like you are in a wider space. That they create the perfect size for each bedroom and also use the balcony space very well. So this apartment has everything what you need. It's perfect layout for a great living.
And this closet's really big too.
Come and see this bedroom. It's one of the second ones.
Okay. Would you say this is like an average size of a bedroom or is it small?
I think it's a little bit small, to be honest. If I will come and buy this place, probably what I will do is just take away this wall and connect it with the other bedroom. Nice. And just create 2 master bedrooms. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet. Also, the nice view comes from here.
Something I love about Medellin is not having to use air conditioner. You just open the window.
I know. I love that. Colombia and Medellin especially is a very inclusive city.
Yeah.
So if you are thinking into coming to Colombia to live here, this is a perfect place to start. since you are welcome everywhere.
Medellin is a very open city. I think that's why like people love it, because you can come here and be whatever you want.
One of the things that I like the most of this building is the amenities that it has. It's super complete. It has a great pool, it has jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, great gym, and a space for the kids with playground. You will never get bored here in this apartment.
And it's completely gated off.
Here the pools are heated. Here you have two jacuzzis. You just need to ask to the doorman to turn it on.
The architecture here is so beautiful.
Very creative people here. Here you have the sauna.
So the cost of everything, on top of closing costs, comes out to around 160,000 US.
I will say actually it will be more closer to the 180,000 US because we have to include the renovation cost. That will be around 7,000 USD.
That's still pretty good. So what, like the average rent for an apartment like this, what would it cost?
That will be around 2,000 US dollars.
Really?
2,000 US dollars per month.
But furnished?
Furnished, yeah.
Wow.
Everyone wants to stay here, so the prices for furniture rentals are increasing so much.
That's true, yeah.
Yes.
I feel like even in the last year, the price has gone up a lot, right?
Yes, I think
Crazy.
after pandemic, everything boom.